In this video, we are going to see about introduction to futures and options. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. What is futures and options? Why futures and options are introduced? First, let us understand what is derivatives. For example, from apple we get apple juice. Here, apple juice is a derivative of apple. Similarly, futures and options are derivative contract, and they are derived from equity cash. This futures and options is termed as derivatives. For example, State Bank of India is an equity, which is called as underlying asset, from which State Bank of India futures and options are derived. Now, let us try to understand why futures and options are introduced. For explaining that, I'm going to show you mutual funds. I have taken SBI Blue Chip Fund, which belongs to the large cap category. See the portfolio size, it's 28,210 crores. Now we are going to see where they have invested these money. 28,210 crores are invested in these companies. For example, SBI Mutual Fund is having 3 crores share in ICICI Bank, and in Infosys they are having 1 crore shares. If ICICI Bank is going down 20 points, they will lose 60 crores, and if Infosys is going down 100 points, they are going to lose 100 crores, so totally they are losing 160 crores in their portfolio. It's a huge loss for SBI Mutual Fund, but this is not their money, it's public money. So, they need some alternative to recover the huge loss. That's why futures and options are introduced, to take counter position so that they can minimize their loss. Now what they will do? They will short in futures, they will buy put option, they will sell call option. Now, they are having these opportunities to recover the losses made in equity. Now their portfolio is balanced. This is called as hedging. Futures and options are introduced for portfolio hedging, mainly done by FIIs and DIs, who are investing crores and crores of money in companies for long term, but retail traders should do with proper knowledge about hedging. If you want videos like this, stay connected with us.